So let's learn what is called obsolete function in C Sharp. If you look at here, we have three so-called obsolete function, okay, including the current one. We have four same function called LC function, LCFN underscore message box okay show. So this is the first function we are created, which requires only one parameter, string user ID. So after a certain period of time, we develop another one which required three parameter. So again, we develop another one again, which is required four parameter, and finally we develop two, three, four, five parameter function. A lot of page is already using the first one, second one, and third one. So now if you want everybody to convert to use the fourth one, for them it may take some time. So easier way is you just put in the obsolete words into the function. So whenever open a page of this obsolete function being used, okay, there will be indicator showing that this obsolete function is depreciated. Okay, and then you should use the find parameter instead. So this is a message you're going to show to the programmer.